So there are three major introductions we are making at FESPA this year. The first one introduction we're making here for the European market is the new all-in-one solution. We like to call it large format all-in-one because truly is changing that product category. It's a very compact design that is able to produce both flexible and rigid, delivering the same very high quality on both materials, which is the HP Latex R530. We're very excited about this product launch. We launched it, around mid-March in the US. Now it's coming to Europe for the very first time, and we're getting very, very good feedback because once again, it's kind of changing the rules of the game in that product category. The second hardware solution we're launching is the new HP Latex 730 and 830 product series, which comes in 4 different flavors, 730 wide, 730 color, 830 wide, and 830 color as well. They are a new version of our 64 inches wide roll-to-roll printing, which is kind of elevating substantially the performance when it comes to speed, when it comes to quality. We make a lot of innovation around quality, incorporating now HP pixel control technology to really stand out, and deliver an amazing level of quality. And last but not least, we continue to be very determined when it comes to software solutions. We want to make sure customers not only use our technology, but we help them to digitalize the workflow, to be able to take the maximum out of the technology they have in their stores. And we are launching here at FESPA what we call HP Latex Production Hub, which basically combines our technology to fleet manage your products, combined now with the job management software, which is called Production Hub. So now in a single platform, you are able to understand what your printer is doing and how you are planning your jobs to be done, and making that digitalization process much simpler for these smaller, medium-sized print shops that are struggling to move from pen and paper into something which is much more tailored for the current digital life we are all living. So one of the key technologies, both in 730 and 830, as you mentioned, is the HP pixel control technology. That's a digital pipeline that allows us to really put the ink down to the pixel level. And that what it does for the printout is to really deliver standout colors, solid area fills, smooth transitions, very sharp details. So all these artifacts that people are looking for a print with pixel control, because we're able to control the pixels, it really elevates the performance. That's common both 730 and 830. Also, the fact that we have this technology, especially for the 830, allows us to print much faster while keeping a high level of IQ. So the raw productivity levels, go up. Also, the 830 incorporates larger ink supplies that allows customers to really, have that unattentiveness that they need when they're really printing at high speed. Also, the 830 incorporates a new mechanics inside of the machine that allows customers to print from the leading edge, making that media roll change. Some of our customers change media very often, and they keep telling us, I need to make that process very simple. And that's what the 830 does. It's quick change. You can print from the leading edge and you start all over again. So making that efficiency gain hour after hour, day after day. And last but not least, the printer incorporates a new HP built spectrophotometer that ensures that the consistency of the color and the quality is meter after meter, day after day, month after month. So we want customers to give that same exceptional quality very consistently, because that's what they are, giving to their client. Want to make sure, we deliver that consistency. We're working with Keep On Intelligence for the last months before the product came up to the marketplace. One of our validation processes, we call them in and we ask them, can you put the printer under stress and check length consistency alongside of the print, color consistency alongside of the print, the level of quality, the level of detail. And they were in Barcelona in our testing center for more than a week. And basically did all the testing, they came back and they report, guys, your product is delivering an outstanding level of performance. So we were able to achieve this BLI award, which we are very happy and very proud to say, that's the best technology they've tested in this 64 inches printing space.